Hey, what's going on, Dent Tent fam? It's Dave, your favorite Sacramento dent repair specialist, coming to you from here, from the Dent Tent, aka the top secret auto care garage. Man, I have a really cool video for you guys today. Check this out. We have here a Mazda 3. So my customer just dropped it off right now, and she backed into, I think she said a pole or something, or a rock. This thing looks pretty banged up, if you guys can check it out and see what's happening here. So yeah, I got banged in pretty good. Who knows what it was? There's just some black scuffs, and these areas are gouged into the plastic here. So I'm gonna have to do some little bit of touch up on this. You guys will see this in the video, but I see these all the time. I'm sure you guys see them too. Maybe it's happened to one of you guys. So if you guys ever happen to have something like this, you guys have a little fender bender or bang into your friend's car or a pole. I see a lot of times people hit poles and it just punches in your bumper. Bring it in. I'll have it taken care of. It's going to probably take me an hour and a half. So I'm going to go through and you guys are going to see exactly how I do this. And I hope you guys like this video. So enjoy. All right, guys, I just finished up the cart and it turned out great. Let me show you what we got going on here. So check it out. I think all in all, this customer is going to be very happy. So, like I said, guys, instead, if you guys ever have bumping at anything with your bumper and it's kind of punched in, like this one was, you don't have to call your insurance or make a claim, pay your deductible, lose your car for whoever knows how long, probably a week to redo this. I had this done in an hour and a half, so you guys can see the results here. You see the tiny little spots where I had to touch up here where the scratches were deeper than the thing. Like I said, if you guys ever run into this kind of problem and you guys need it taken care of right away, the same day, within an hour and a half, give me a call. My number's in the description. It's better to text me or call me because I don't go through my Instagram or my Facebook messages very often, but just call me direct and I'll take care of you guys. I hope you guys having a great day and I'll see you guys soon. All right, later.